The Ellipal wallet stands out in the cryptocurrency world for its uncompromising approach to security. Designed as a fully air-gapped hardware wallet, it ensures your digital assets are kept completely offline, protecting them from network-based attacks. Unlike traditional hardware wallets, the Ellipal device does not connect via USB or Bluetooth, which eliminates common vulnerabilities associated with hacking attempts. Every transaction is signed within the device itself, and QR codes are used to communicate with the mobile app, maintaining a strict offline environment. Constructed with a rugged, tamper-resistant design, the Ellipal wallet is built to withstand both physical and digital threats. Its metal casing and sealed components prevent unauthorized access, making it highly resistant to tampering or physical attacks. Even if someone attempts to open the wallet, the device is designed to self-destruct its sensitive data, ensuring that private keys remain secure under any circumstances. Performance-wise, the Ellipal wallet handles multiple cryptocurrencies efficiently, supporting over 10,000 tokens across various blockchain networks. The interface is straightforward, with a responsive touchscreen that makes navigating accounts and initiating transfers quick and reliable. Users can manage multiple wallets and seamlessly integrate with decentralized finance platforms while maintaining the highest level of security. The wallet's backup and recovery process adds another layer of protection. Recovery seeds are generated offline, and the wallet never exposes private keys during this process. This ensures that even if the device is lost or damaged, funds can be restored safely without ever compromising security. In terms of security performance, the Ellipal wallet consistently outperforms many competitors by combining robust offline architecture, tamper-proof hardware, and an intuitive user interface. For anyone serious about protecting cryptocurrency holdings, it offers peace of mind that private keys remain completely isolated from potential digital threats, delivering top-tier security performance without sacrificing usability.